Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's look I have a nice beautiful red lip with a nice neutral eyeshadow and just winged liner. So if you do follow me on Instagram you would have noticed that I posted this photo of this little guy. This is my new lipstick that I have just recently got and that's kind of the reason why I created this look today. So I wanted to try this one out. Also wanted to see what kind of look I could create with it, so I thought what better than doing a nice red lip, neutral eye, winged liner. So classic, nice to use going out, everything like that. So if you would like to see how I got this makeup look from start to finish, then keep on watching. I would like to just say a very quick hello before we get started. You gonna say hello? Is that a motorbike? Maybe what is it? So to start this look, I'm going to actually start off with a moisturizer. Make Spa, just like a day moisture. So I'm going to put that on first, just a little bit. I've already washed my face. I have no makeup whatsoever on right now. And as you can see, normally my eyebrows are quite light. So I will do them, but I will do them off camera. Give my skin some moisture. That is the moisturizer done. I'm going to do my brows off camera and I will be back. I have done my brows and you know what's really funny? They always look so scary when I do them without having my whole other face. Like, arm brows just so weird. So I'm just gonna go in with this little guy that I got off my friend who sells Lip Sense, I think that's the brand. This little guy is a silk pore and wrinkle minimizer. So it feels really, really nice on the skin. And it does just really prime your face nicely. So what I had on before was just my moisturizer, and I'm gonna go in with this as a primer. So moisturizer is just there to hydrate my face, and now this is going to be a layer on top which my foundation and my other makeup is going to sit on. Now for my eyes I'm just going to go in with this. So I'm going to go in with this. So you can see a massive difference already with the colouring obviously of my eye here compared to this one. So this is just really creating a base for the eyeshadow to go on. So what I'm going to have to do now after I've popped that concealer on, I'm going to basically just dab that over with a translucent powder, and I'm then going to put my shadow on top. So I'm just going to be using the Fenty Beauty So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to apologise in advance, this is beat up pretty badly. Does not help that it is a white casing. I always get things that are white completely trashed, just terrible with white. But anyway, not going to go into that. So the palette I'll be using is the Nice palette by Kylie Jenner. So I'll show you now how beat up this is. And oh, it's not too bad, but it's not the best. So you can see there the colours. So today we'll probably just be using the colours. So I like to go in these kind of circular motions, and then I kind of just go over quite lightly, but you always have to do that circular motion to really blend it into the eye. So it's just going to go in our crease, that Santa Baby. So I'm just going to go into with another brush and just using that same colour, just kind of spread it out a bit more. This one's going to be a bit more of a fluffier brush. I want to just extend that out more. Okay, so once we have done that, now it's not going to show up so crazy on camera because it's only a light brown and my skin's already tan, so it's not going to show up that good. However, you'll see it pop a little bit later down the track. So I still have a bit of that concealer on my hand that I used for my eyes. So what I'm going to do now, this is the important part, I'm going to go in and kind of just go from this inner crease to about just before the end of the crease and kind of just make a shape. The shape of your eye, this will be different for everyone. The shape of your eye, don't go too high up but don't go too low. So just do it so the shape, kind of follow your shape. And then we're going to put that lighter colour called Lullaby, the lighter colour Lullaby on that. So I'm going to go in with this Lovey and Glow. I don't love it and glow. I don't know if that's how you say it. Cute package though. Nice rose gold trim. And inside there are 4 different highlighters. Sundust is number 1. I should probably show you. So this is Sundust. This is Blazing Gold. This is Afterlove. And this one is Bronze Kiss. So we are going to be using Blazing Gold today. Blazing Gold. So I'm just going to go in with this Blazing Gold on my eyelid. Before, and I'm just going to kind of go over that, and don't need to put any more product on it, just kind of just so we can blend that line there again. Right, so we've got the inner gold or inner kind of highlighter there. We've got the shadow line there. Before we do liner, this is a tip that I always like to do if I want to kind of make it more intense or more impactful, is I like going over with just a brush, like a angled brush, and I like kind of going from here to the edge just before I actually do my liner in just like a dark basically eyeshadow. Just don't make it too thick though, that's the trick. You got to make it kind of thin. Give that a bit of a darker line already before I put the liner on. That's my trick. Okay, so now it's done. I've just done literally a little bit of eyeshadow on top of that. You can see it's not too thick, just a nice little shadow line. What I'm going to do now though is I'm going to underline my top waterline, my favourite part. So to line my waterline, I'm just going to go in with this Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer by Rimmel in Blackest Black, and I'm just going to wind that up a little bit, and I'm going to kind of be very careful doing this, but I'm going to just lift up my eyelid very gently, and then I'm going to go underneath and just line the top waterline very carefully. This super liner that I have, this one's by L'Oreal and it's in just eyeliner black. So let's give this a shot. I'm going to start at the end corner of my eye. So that's basically the wing. We haven't got our lashes on or anything, but what we're going to do now, and I haven't got foundation on, but we're going to go underneath. Let's just complete this eye look first. We're going to go underneath the bottom waterline, and also underneath that just with so I'm just going to go in with the Santa Baby again, and I'm just going to use like an angled brush this time, and I'm just going to go underneath my waterline with this. So now I'm going to fill that bottom waterline in with the black line I just used before. So just start off lightly and give it a bit of a smudge. I'm done, but then I've still got to go in with the foundation to really make that pop, and also go in with mascara. So I might just go off camera you can see so far. Eye. So I've kind of got like an almond eye shape, and this is like my signature look. I always use this wing. Go off camera, I will finish off this other eye. I've just showed you how to do this one. So I've gone ahead and I've done the other eye. So that's kind of what it looks like at the moment. Now this, keep in mind, is without lashes right now, so, and without mascara. So the look will be finished when the mascara, kind of for the eye look, will be once the mascara goes on. Now I'm going to do the face. Let's fix this up. So with the leftover concealer that I have from doing the eyes, I'm just going to go and dot any imperfections or any bumps or redness, anything like that. So I'm just going to go over. I can see one there. I'm going to go and just put a bit on there, a bit on there. I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty by Adrineh in shade 240. It's really evened out my skin. Don't know if you can see that on camera. Compared to, like, you can't see my freckles as much anymore. If not hardly any. I'm going to use, just on top of that, my trusty Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand Sable. So just wet my sponge and I'm going to go in and just dab that into the skin. So now I'm going to go in again with the Fenty Beauty powder. Brush, which is cool. And I'm going to now go in, I'm going to contour my face. I'm just going to get a bit of my bronzer, pop that on there, and then I'm just going to just a bit underneath my chin. Okay, that's that. We're getting there, peoples. We are getting there. Tarte's Tarte palette, Pro Glow to Glow, and I use the Chisel shade. So I'm just going to go in with a flat kind of brush like that, and I'm going to go in and just kind of do this line. See that line there? So that's kind of going to give us, now everyone's nose is different. Because I have this little button nose, I've been blessed with a button nose, I'm going to make this line here. Now it might not be for everyone, but this is basically giving the effect of more of an upturned nose, which, I mean, who doesn't like an upturned nose? But I just kind of do that, and then I'm going to fill the side parts down here. If you have a different nose shape to me, you can feel free to try this technique, but I wouldn't recommend it if you don't have the same shaped nose, because everyone's different. This is just what works for me. This is what I personally like on a nose, or to make my nose a little bit more cuter. With, well, my hair. So I just kind of go in with the same brush that I used. Don't really put much product on it, just whatever was on there before. I go in and kind of just blend that into my skin, really. I use this Kylie Pressed Blush Powder. So it is the one in X-rated, so it's of an orangey tone. It's just nice and subtle. With this lipstick. It is the Balmain Paris. Now I'm just going to let you know right now, I'm just looking at this on camera. It is a deeper red off screen. This looks very orange in my viewfinder. Clean up, and I use this whenever I do like a dark lip or like a red lip or whatever. Like, it just cleans it up so much more nicer and makes it more precise. So I'm going to do that for you now. Now the key here is to actually blend this out. Do not leave it like this. So I'm going to do the highlight I'm going to use off that same palette, this one here. I might just use that lighter shade, and I'm just going to go in with a little fan brush. So I'm always looking for really good mascara, and I love fake eyelashes, but I can't always wear them every day because they annoy me. Like, I like them only for like occasions going out. So there's only just one last step now, and that is to spray. So I'm just going to do that with this Master one by Maybelline. From Bella and I, have an awesome day or night if you're watching. So always night somewhere. So just have an awesome day, and thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. And again, like I said, I'm going to go to Sydney very soon, so I'll be posting a vlog after I come back. So there will be things happening, won't there, Bella? See you next time.